Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gearing up. Put on your headset, check the mic, and unmute it so audio flows clearly. Once done, open Gym Class VR and navigate to the lobby area. Select the voice chat option before joining a session to avoid audio glitches. Make sure you grant microphone permissions in your device settings and choose push-to-talk or open mic depending on noise. I'm telling you how and why. Permissions prevent blocking, and the mode controls background noise for clearer team communication. You now fine-tune audio so everyone hears you right where they expect. Open audio settings and adjust input/output levels. Aim around -6 to -3 decibels for clear, undistorted voice. Then enable spatial audio and proximity voice so teammates hear direction and distance. This helps coordination in active drills. Once set, perform a quick mic check with one teammate. If they report clipping or hiss, tweak sensitivity or enable noise suppression. Doing this, you finish by using voice chat intentionally. Speak in short callouts, give 1- or 2-word commands, and confirm actions so teammates react fast. Once done, use push-to-talk in loud gyms or mute when idle to prevent chatter buildup. If audio cuts out or others can't hear you, restart the VR audio system, reassign the mic device in settings, and recheck privacy permissions. These steps fix most issues quickly. Remember, clear, purposeful voice saves time and keeps the class flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.